Welcome to the Learn American English channel, where you learn naturally so you can speak naturally. In this video, we are going to learn how to count to 10. 1. 1. This is a bicycle. How many bicycles are there? There is one bicycle. 1. 1 bicycle. 2. 2. These are dogs. How many dogs are there? There are 2 dogs. 1, 2. There are 2 dogs. 3. 3. These are stars. How many stars are there? There are 3 stars. 1, 2, 3. 3 stars. 4. 4. These are apples. How many apples are there? There are 4 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apples. 5. 5. There are 5 bees. How many bees are there? There are 5 bees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bees. 6. 6. These are balloons. How many balloons are there? There are 6 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balloons. 7. 7. These are cupcakes. How many cupcakes are there? There are 7 cupcakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cupcakes. 8. 8. These are flowers. How many flowers are there? There are 8 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 flowers. 9. 9. These are pencils. How many pencils are there? There are 9 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pencils. 10. 10. These are cups. How many cups are there? There are 10 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cups. Now let's review. Repeat after me. 1. 1 bicycle. 2. 2 dogs. 3. 3 stars. 4. 4 apples. 5. 5 bees. 6. 6 balloons. 7. 7 cupcakes. 8. 8 flowers. 9. 9 pencils. 10. 10 cups. Thank you for watching the Learn American English channel. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this one.